Hello everybody, Zonak is back here today, and right now I'm in my hotel room at Hotel Flamingo, which is in Las Vegas, and I'm going to showcase fidget spinners. Like this. So the cool thing about this fidget spinner is that it creates a moon image. So like it's right there and stuff. So now I'm gonna show you guys my other ones. Here's a white plastic one. And I'm gonna show you my third one. It has 6 ball bearings, 6 sides, and it is shaped like a gear. So and my fourth one, and the cool thing about this one is that it can light up. So buttons. So it's like a cyclone. And you can do, and there are like 3 different light modes. So here's the second one. And here is the third one. And now for my 5th one. This one. This one's insane. And it's also pretty heavy. So, and the cool thing about this one is that you can take the bearings off and stuff. And it's also pretty heavy. And my sixth one, it's shaped like a pirate ship wheel. So, but the thing that's bad about this one is that it doesn't spin for that long. So just for like a few seconds and stuff. And for some tricks, take 2 tri-hand fidget spinners. So put the metal one in the front and the plastic one in the back. So each of them has to spin like in different directions. So like this. So if any of you can see it, it's like a flower and it will automatically change by itself. And you can do the same thing with these other ones. So here's the geared one. Wait. So if any of you can see it, it's pretty cool. And the light up one, it's also pretty cool. Now if I can just and to show you a trick with these 2 fidget spinners, so same thing, opposite direction. Really cool. Now I'm gonna see if I can do a trick with these 2. Well, I'm not exactly sure if it will do a trick. And I'm gonna do a trick with this one, which might probably do the same thing with this one. Oh, this is really cool. And time to do a trick with this one. Or look on this side. It's actually better. It's really awesome. You can also see the high roller behind there. And now, time to do it with the technology fidget spinner. Oh, that's getting brighter. And, oh yeah, I also want to show you one thing you can do with this one. So remember how I said there's like 3 different light modes? You can actually, so do the first light mode here, then the second light mode here, then the third one, which will create something cool. It's really cool. Oh, now it's creating a moon image, probably because of the sun and stuff. Now, I'll try to do a trick with this one. Now, with this one, now 6 ball bearing one, which kind of looks like an air turbine, like on one of those airplanes. Now this one, which looks like an air turbine. And I actually already did a contest with these fidget spinners, and it turned out that this one is the winner. But I'm gonna show you guys again, since I already did it before. This one's out. This is eliminated. This is also eliminated. This one's eliminated. This one's eliminated. And this one's eliminated. So you see, this is the winner. So I'm gonna show you how to take off these bearings off. So it will spin properly if there's like equal sides. So if they're unequal, they'll just spin out of control. So just remove this one. So two on this side and 2 on this side, and take off 2 of them. Two-sided, which is pretty cool, and one-sided, which is pretty boring. And now, no-sided. And that's it for today. So please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this video, and leave in the comments below which fidget spinner you like the best. Gold, aluminum blue, black with ball bearings, light up, white, or silver, which is no-sided. So, goodbye.